Disney. Yeah, they got like
Kazra. We got Frank. We got Larry.
What's up, guys?
We are at New Century, BMW in Alhambra, LA County. These guys hooked us up big time here. All the bikes are here, 3 of them. The rest we'll be getting tomorrow. Kazra's new baby. Look at that thing, man.
Missed it.
He's got like, what, 300 miles on that bike probably?
400.
How many?
400.
400 miles. 400 miles today, and by the time we're done, there'll be about 5,000 on it.
Road to Wellness starts right here. Come on, guys.
It was in.
Gummies. Gummies.
What are they?
Who doesn't love gummies? Great for cold and flu season.
How many can I have?
Yeah.
That's a good thing to do for
Cold and flu.
awesome.
Yeah. Take some more.
Vitamin C, yeah, I'm gonna be all over that.
Definitely.
You got it.
Road to what? Road to Wellness. You're like Hollywood. He's got your Hollywood right here.
The best.
You like?
Well, good morning. Larry Sharenza, VP Sales for Nature's Answer. Today is day 1 of our tour to wellness, riding across America to awareness for breast cancer. And very excited to get on our bikes and get going.
Today we're gonna start riding to Phoenix, Arizona. It's gonna be about 400 miles. Probably gonna take us about, I don't know, 5-6 hours.
Yeah.
We'll probably make it 8 or 10 or 12, I don't know.
We're here in beautiful San Diego, California this morning at the Midway Museum, and we're just getting ready to start our coast-to-coast ride to support breast cancer awareness and raise money for breast cancer research.
All right, so real excited over here. We're at the Pacific Ocean in San Diego. You can hear the seagulls in the background. This is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This is for my cousin Maria Elena, who we lost last year to breast cancer, to my grandmother Laura. And we're gonna work our way back to New York with this water here from the Pacific Ocean, and we're gonna pour it into the Atlantic Ocean for Making Strides for American Cancer Society. So we look forward to it. All right, guys, to a good trip.
Frank, welcome to Southwest College.
Thanks for having us.
I have to say, it's great to have 2 New Yorkers standing in front of our school. And thanks for coming out here. What an amazing trip.
We're excited to be here. I know you guys are doing a lot of good things, and our brand, Nature's Answer. There's more that we'd like to do with your university.
Well, we're so excited. You know, here at Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine, I found that the intersection of complementary and integrative medicine with conventional medicine is around oncology. You know, cancer patients, people dealing with cancer have put up with such harsh, intense treatments historically that they turn to doctors like ours to help, not just help mitigate some of the side effects like the gastrointestinal effects or the skin or the
chemo, right?
All the chemo, but also, you know, it also, people find that they can improve their outcomes by working together with conventional therapies and what we call alternative therapies, especially nutrition.
Sure.
And so this is a great opportunity.
This is great. We're a health and wellness company, so we see how nicely it dovetails together.
Yeah.
So it's great. It's great to be here.
Yeah. Oh, well, thanks again.
The Hope Lodge actually has 18 rooms. We have 2 casitas, 1 single story which houses 12 people when the house is full, and that's typically how we are all the time, full. And then the second story house at the end of the property here houses 24. And I'm talking about guest and caregiver. We provide them a private room with an attached bathroom, and they share the rest of the house. It's a shared living environment. They have a spacious living room area, dining room area, kitchen with everything fully equipped, pots, pans, dishes, 2 refrigerators, 2 stoves, 2 microwaves. The American Cancer Society does cover the cost of the room accommodations while our patients are here. And it could be 3 weeks or it could be a year for some of our patients.
Good morning. It's a pleasure for us to be here on behalf of our entire team. We've embarked on this 4,000-mile coast-to-coast odyssey to raise funds and to raise awareness to support great causes like this. We're looking to raise a lot of money and to support the Hope Lodge and the American Cancer Society. So to all of you that are here today, we extend our love and our sympathies, and we wish you all the best. We have brought some things here that we'd like to share with you from our company to yours. And please know that we concur wholeheartedly that the most important thing that you can be doing here is just focusing on getting better. If there's anything that we believe in, it's that we need to support each other and care for each other, and we want to make sure that we do everything we can to support you during this difficult time. So thanks so much for being here, and we appreciate everything that the American Cancer Society has allowed us to do and the Hope Lodge has allowed us to do, to spend some time with you this morning. So thank you. Larry's riding a trike. We'll give you his. So he's got.
Thanks, Larry.
And we're looking for what? We're looking for a real big hole. You guys know where it is? Is it this way?
Morning, getting ready for day 5. Warming up the bike.
Road2Wellness, man. We're here.
Tom, how'd you do, buddy?
Good, great ride, beautiful road. incredible roads.
If you see any of the scenery,
I did for the first hour we were running together.
We were riding 40 miles an hour.
How's your ice cream, Frank?
Very good.
Where are we anyway?
We're in Utah. I'm on the phone with my mom in New York, and she says hello.
Hey, Mom.
I think it's fantastic what you guys are doing, and I'm really grateful to be a part of it, help publicize the tour, actually be a part of the tour for a day, so I'm very excited about riding with the riders today. Everyone is affected by cancer. It's either you got it or somebody in your family's got it, and we really need to put the kibosh on this.
Day number 9 on the Road to Wellness tour. We're actually halfway there. So today we're at St. Jude's Children's Hospital. We're going to get a tour of the facility. They're going to take us to Target House. Real excited. Hope you can join us.
So St. Jude actually has the largest pediatric sickle cell program in the world. We were the first hospital to actually cure sickle cell, and it was actually done by accident. So we had a patient here in the early 80s who was being treated for sickle cell. At the same time, completely unrelated to the sickle cell, she also was diagnosed with ALL, leukemia. So they gave her a bone marrow transplant hoping to cure the leukemia, and instead they cured the sickle cell, really by accident. Wow. Now that's not 100% treatment across the board, but it was a starting place for St. Jude and for the researchers. So they see about 850 patients a year.
Modern. So one thing I failed to point out is just on the other side there is Memphis Catholic High School and Junior High School. So if there are siblings or patients that are here that are able to go to school, they let them go for free.
That's great.
So this Hope Lodge was built in 2004, and we have 41 rooms here. And so most times between Sunday and Thursday we are full, and so we have about 82 people then in our community staying here. We are one of the top 5, sometimes the top 3 busiest Hope Lodges that they have of the 31. So we do stay very, very busy here. So for you to come and visit and give these great gifts to our guests is really something special. There is a lot of hope here, and when we get things like this, it just reinforces that people do support the American Cancer Society and all these patients and what they're going through, and it just puts smiles on people's faces. So we really appreciate you stopping in.